Hey everyone, welcome back. Today I'm going to show you how to enable developer mode on an iPhone. Before you can turn on developer mode, you need to have a development or test build installed on your iPhone. Once the build is installed, tap the app icon. You'll see a prompt asking you to enable developer mode. Tap OK. Next, open the Settings app on your iPhone. Scroll down and tap Privacy and Security. From there, scroll down again and tap Developer Mode. Turn on the developer mode toggle. Your iPhone will show a message asking you to restart the device. Tap Restart. After your iPhone restarts, unlock it. A system alert will appear asking you to confirm developer mode. Tap Turn On. When prompted, enter your iPhone passcode to confirm. Once that's done, developer mode will be enabled and you'll be able to run development and internal test builds on your iPhone. And that's how you enable developer mode on an iPhone. If this video helped you out, don't forget to like and subscribe for more simple and helpful tutorials. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.